Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to use the sum function, and then I will show you a couple of things to look out for in your data that may affect your results. You can only use the sum function on columns, rows, or an array of numbers. So the way you do this is you pick the cell that you want your data to be in, type equal the word sum, open parentheses, and then highlight the data that you want to be part of your results and press enter. So at this time, I just want to show you some of the things that you need to look out for on the sum function. So I'm going to do it over here on the row. I'm going to put equal sum, open parentheses, and I'm going to highlight this whole row. Now what you see here are numbers, and then you see dates, and I'm going to press the equal and notice that I have a number. The reason for that is because dates are represented as numbers in Excel. So it's going to be important that if you have a large amount of data where you can't spot check to make sure that somebody didn't enter incorrect information in that particular cell. So say in this case, if this was supposed to be a whole row of numbers and somebody inadvertently put dates in there that you didn't notice, then you're going to have those dates add into your sum. And let me just show you what I mean. If you were to highlight all these dates here and right click, go down to format cells and change that to number and press OK, notice that all of these cells turned into numbers. I've not found a way yet that you can check for this programmatically. If somebody knows how to do that, please leave that in the comment section below. Also, if any of the cells have an error in it, the sum function will not work. What do I mean by that? So if I was to change this to 0 divided by 0, that's an obvious error, right? So if I come down here and I press equal sum and I highlight this whole column here and press enter, you can see that I have an error here because it can't add with errors. So the next thing I wanted to show you is that you can add a column or row with words in them. So if I change this to hello and I go down here and I put equal sum, open parentheses, and I highlight this whole column here, press enter, you can see that I get a total down here. It won't add those words in the sum, but the function will work. That's it for now. Please let me know if there's anything that you would like me to cover, and I'm happy to do so. Please have a great day. Thanks again. Bye.